Good afternoon, Andy Farmer here. Do a video walkthrough on this 2002 260 Sundancer. Boat is in Raleigh on a trailer in storage. Take a look at the photos for profile shots of it, but I just wanted to do a quick video walkthrough of the interior of the boat for you today. Upholstery is in good shape. I don't see any rips or tears. This cushion here does slide out and turns that whole area into a lounge. You've got the transom seat that's down, so you've got room in your cockpit. There's a battery switch underneath that, or in that compartment. The boat has two batteries with selector switch. Got a little bit of staining on this cushion. I'm not sure if that'll come out or not. It's not bad, but noticeable. Boat is kept under a cover. It's in good shape. Roughly 380 hours. Got a VHF radio, Lowrance depth sounder, trim tabs there. Burl wood still in decent shape. Get a shot of the steering wheel. Got a little bit of cracking on a little discolor, but it's still in good shape. Stepping down below, a little bit of stains underneath that window, a little bit of staining there. I've had some rain and I don't feel any kind of dampness there, so I think it's signs from a past leak, and I don't smell any. The boat's been sitting up in the storage yard and I don't smell any kind of mold or mildew. None of the carpets are damp or wet, so again, I think that's staining from an old leak. Got a vacuum flush head on this boat. There's your shower wand, slides up and installs up there for a shower. Got a nice Norcold fridge, appears to have been replaced at some point. Alcohol stove, microwave, stereo air conditioning on this boat as well. Get a shot of this back compartment for you. Air intake, cushions are in good shape. Guys, this is Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Give me a call at 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Love to chat with you about this boat or any others. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. We'll talk to you soon.